Hey friends, welcome back to Insomniac Developers. This is the second video of my Angular series. In first video, I discussed regarding some basic intro and the learning path of Angular. Also some interview related question and answers. But today is a Friday night, weather is also awesome, and today we're going to create a simple and awesome game in Angular. Step by step, we'll create the game and we'll learn one by one topic in Angular. First, we'll plan what we are going to do. Then we'll create a project and we'll install Bootstrap for style purpose. Then we'll create our templates and game layouts. After that, we'll implement the logic and we'll discuss some useful topics in Angular. Recently, I traveled Goa. There I played some casino game and owned some cash. Here we are going to develop one casino game. I'm not able to remember the exact name of the game, but we have to play the game with dice. So quickly, let's create a diagram to understand the rules of the games. Just open any browser of your computer. Uh, Go here. There was a large table. Let's assume this is our large table. One side there are three dice and another side all the outcomes are printed here. Let's quickly create the diagram, then I will explain the rules. This is our basic diagram and according to this we'll create our HTML templates. Left side 3 dice and 1 button are there. When they press this button, the dice will start rolling and after some times it will give some result. Now before starts rolling, player can bet on the printed outcomes. If player own the game, then according to this, they can own 2, 4, 6 times of their money. Suppose one player play with rupees 2000 on even number. If the sum of the numbers comes even, then he will receive 4000. If he lost the game, then he will lose his 2000 rupees. Now let's initialize one project and start coding. Here already I create one folder day 2. Let's open my terminal at that folder. Here just hit the command ng new and your project name. Let's our project name is dice game 1 and hit enter. It's asking for Angular routing. Let's choose a SCSS. Now it's installing. It will take few moments. Yeah guys, our project is initialized. Now we'll go to our root folder and we'll run our project. Ng serve. Okay, so it's running. Just minimize this and open our Visual Studio Code at that folder. Yeah, so it's opened. Let's again run it. Now just open the Angular official documents. Click on resource. Here search for bootstrap 5. Just we'll install this one. Okay, let's copy that command and hit enter. Yes, we want to proceed. Import. Let's import all module, font, animation, font custom. Chart is not required right now. Okay, bootstrap is installed. Let's open our project again. Okay, bootstrap is installed in our project. Let's open our Visual Studio Code. Yeah. Clear all the HTML here. Previously I collected some images for our game. Here are the images. Copy all the images. These are the face of the dice and this is my logo. Copy all the file from here and go to our folder here inside asset, paste our file. Guys, just open the get bootstrap site. Get bootstrap. Here search for header. Okay, we'll copy this header. Here we'll paste. Let's check it is working fine or not. Yeah, this is working fine. Now we need to modify. Instead of using SVG, here I'll use one image tag and here I use my logo. So let's copy and paste .png. See how it looks. Oh, it's showing full page. So we need to set some width and height. Yeah, this looks cool. Now we'll delete the simple header and here we'll write our channel name. Mm, Put some space. Yeah, this looks cool. Now delete all the unnecessary HTML from here. Yeah. Now guys, we need to create a two section. One section is for dice and button and another section is for outcomes. Now we need to move this section side by side. So we'll create a main div and we'll move this inside our main container. So just name it main container and this is our game container and this one is result container. Let's save. Yeah, so two container is created. One is game and another is result. Now we need to write style for move game container in the left side and result container on the right side. Just copy the main container and go to our app component.scss. Paste the main container class here. Now we want to use flex design. So display flex and justify content space between and we need this in full screen. So height 100 bh. Yeah, so this is fine. Now we need to set some width of this container. Let's go to our code. Here we'll use bootstrap class container. Yeah, now it looks fine. Now let's add one button here, and the button is for roll the dice. Yeah, now let's add some style. Just copy and let's see. Yeah, now we need the button at center, so let's create another div. Move the button inside the div. And let's use one bootstrap class, that is text center. Yeah, now just copy this div. We need similar thing for our dice. Just paste here. Here we'll use one image tag and here let's add our dice face png. Let's see. So let's add some style for our dice. So add class dice. Just copy. So let's Let's add some height. Mm, let's add some border. Wow, it looks fine. Let's add some margin. Yeah, this looks cool. Let's add some background color in the game component, sorry, game container. Mm, so it's nice. Now we need some margin top for the button. Let's add some bootstrap class. Okay, yeah, this looks good. Let's create the similar design for our result container. Let's add some different background color for result container. For now, this looks fine. Now we have to create our result container. So create one div, and here I'll use the bootstrap class, that is row, and inside row use column. Let's add one icon. Go to documents. Yeah, where it is. Yeah, so let's copy this button. Yeah, this looks nice. So now we have to add our game description. Let's player will get 2 times of their money, and player have to spend at least 1000 token or 1000 rupees cash. Yeah, this looks good. Now we have to show the event. So yeah, this looks fine. So just copy this column and paste it. Yeah, so this looks good. So here we'll write our event. Let's our number in between 1 to 3 and in between 4 5 6. There are two event. Let's for second one. For the first one, yeah, user can choose the even or odd. And for the last one, let they can get 4 times of their money, and minimum they have to spend 5000 token. And here player can predict the exact number. Wow, this looks awesome. Now let's add some design to make it more user friendly and interactive. Let's move all the elements in center. So here use some bootstrap class, text center. Yeah, all the elements move to the center. Let's create another class for the result section. It is result div, and copy. So here we'll use text design. Text, justify content, center, and put some gap. That is, yeah.
This is not forever. Folks changing like the weather. Cold, wet, and all around. Toxic people being severed. Like leaves falling in September. Cold, wet, and on the ground. You can cut me down, but
Now let's create a round shape. So just add one class round. Copy. Yeah. This height 100 px, and for round we have to use border radius. This is 50%. Let's choose some color.
standing in a glass bowl at the end of a black hole. Cold, lost, and upside down. Faces swirling past me.
But this color combination is not looks good.
Cold, lost beneath the ground.
So let's change.
I allow my feelings to become sad. If you're gonna cut me down, better do it quickly now. You can cut me down, but I won't stay for long. I'll grow back again. Oh yeah, my roots are strong.
Let's see. Yeah, I think this is almost okay. Let's change the background color again.
Roots are strong. This is not forever. Folks changing like the weather.
Yeah, now this is quite better. Now user can bet on even number, odd number, in between 1 to 3, in between 1 to 6, and user can predict the exact number. Now create one class to show the exact result. Go to your visual code and here dot win, and just change the background color. This one. Let's see. Oh, we have to add this class. So here, here it's not required. Guys, our basic game layout is ready. In next video I'll write the logic, so stay tuned. I will be back as soon as possible.